Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday afternoon, it's 5 o'clock and we're going to Dao with Leon.
Hi.
And it's big rain because have storm right now here in Philippines.
All day rain.
Yes,
day.
it's all day. And we're going to Inasal and eat there.
No, we going to City Mall in Dao, near Dao bus terminal. And from City Mall we going to Chicken in Nassau. We will show. It's only we going to eat. Before yesterday we been in VSM. Today we going to eat in Nassau. We every day going to eat in restaurant. Today it's Filipino restaurant. It's Chicken in Nassau.
Not always, okay.
No, always. Every day.
Not every day because sometimes I cook in home.
Yes. Traffic always this time.
Because this time they go home.
This way to go into the NLEX. That's why this road always with traffic. We will park car in City Mall because it's good parking inside City Mall. Right side you can see City Mall. This is City Mall parking. Here free parking only if daytime.
We cannot do that.
Yes. Mary Mart grocery.
Mary Mart.
Mary Mart, yes.
Where I always eat.
I know you like. It's good grocery here, near Dow terminal, very close from Dow. People prepare for dance here. Yes, every six maybe. Oh, music already. So noisy inside. Yeah. Don't have rain right now. It's good. All day rain.
But we forgot our umbrella.
Umbrella, yes, in the car. No, not problem. I think rain not start again. Have two choking. With choking and inside have choking. Inside City Mall. Okay, going to another side.
Before it's McDonald's.
Yes, I remember it's McDonald's before.
And right now they do some Papa Joey's, but it's not working until right now.
Not working?
Yes. It's not already.
And tricycle driver here also waiting. So who come to the Philippines, it's easy to go to Angeles. chicken in Nassau. Very popular because it's not expensive. What you want? Chicken in Nassau. PM1. It's Sola. PM1. Okay. Okay. PM1 with drinks. Yes. Yes. PM2. Okay, PM2. Only wings don't have legs. Huh? Yes, Golaman, yes. So we choose palabok and chicken. We can so many people here. We can sit near window. This is yes. Here. It's okay, far. I don't want near aircon, Shaira. Palabok leta. A soup I don't want.
That's okay.
I just move. And palabok. Before when I come to the Philippines first time, I always order palabok.
So what you want? Rice or palabok?
I will eat palabok, and Shaira will give me little bit meat, because Shaira don't want so many eat meat. If you want, you can eat palabok
No, I
also.
don't like.
Don't like palabok? Palabok only in the Philippines, I think. So this one is 206. This is 206. And palabok 96 peso only.
Okay, I can give you already that.
Okay. Again start little bit rain. Oh. Yes, another side I want to walk little bit in Dow bus terminal. But what is Gutom?
Hungry.
Hungry?
Yeah.
If he not going to somewhere, he was just asking foods. Gutom. In Tagalog, yes? We can walk little go to Dow bus terminal. Take a look, already have dancing inside and Shaira. It's not big rain, little bit only. Jollibee. Shaira, this is bus one SUV. We go to where? Also to Manila or not?
Manila also.
This already have where we go direction. Baliwak is Bulacan, is Malangapo also. Can you ask how much to Alangapo? Interesting. My subscriber also interesting. How much to Alangapo? What?
180.
180 to Alangapo. But bus about 150.
150.
150 bus. Okay.
That's water. So that's water only.
Okay, thank you.
That's water only.
Shaira, but if you go to Manila, you use van only? Bus. Guy continue dancing. You want also dance here, Shaira? Don't want? Okay, dance here, Shaira, dance. Don't want? Every day we dance here. Hi? You won't go to up. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, already closed. Chinese shop is closed. All closed. Only furniture we sell. How much? 7,000. 7,000.
Only the
Only foam. Yes, mat only.
10,000 all.
Bed is 13,500. And less 10% less. Close. Okay, let's go. I not expected it's close. So of course elevator not working right now.
I want to see a little bit.
You can see in the home. What do you think? In Marimart you want to take a look? Or go to hypermarket?
Hypermarket.
Okay, let's go to hypermarket.
What is this?
Where? What? Translate, Shaira, translate.
Sining, it means art.
Okay.
Festival of Art.
Festival of Art, okay, I know now. Bus terminal, another gate. I think they will fix this road because they prepare for fix.
Yes, they've already fixed the other side.
Good.
So it's not easy to go inside.
Yes, it's this road over with holes. It's good here, open road for bus. Now 6 p.m. traffic again.
Hi guys, we're here already in Hypermarket Mabalacat, Pampanga, and we're going inside already.
And this time many people because it's 6 p.m. Working time from 8 to 8, from 8 morning to 8 evening. Now 7 p.m. Not heavy for you. Shira buy so many